Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to the Honor Magic 6 Pro, a device that redefines smartphone technology with its cutting-edge features. If you're passionate about tech, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated on the latest innovations. Let's dive straight into the details of this incredible phone. Design and display. The Honor Magic 6 Pro captures attention with its sleek and modern design. Its 6.8-inch OLED display delivers breathtaking visuals, boasting a resolution of 1280 by 2800 pixels. With 1.07 billion color support, every image and video appears lifelike and vibrant. Thanks to its curved, floating screen design, it offers both elegance and practicality. Additionally, the LTPO technology enables an adaptive refresh rate ranging from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, ensuring ultra-smooth scrolling while optimizing power efficiency. With 2V Rhineland certifications, your eyes are protected during extended use. Processor and performance. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor powers the device, ensuring seamless multitasking and top-notch gaming performance. Paired with 12 GB RAM and 512 GB storage, the Magic 6 Pro handles demanding tasks effortlessly. To enhance connectivity, the Honor C1 Plus RF Enhanced chip ensures stable and fast network performance, while the S1 security chip provides an extra layer of security. Camera system. The Magic 6 Pro's camera system is truly next level, offering professional-grade photography. 50-megapixel camera with a dynamic aperture, f1.4, f2.0, and optical image stabilization (OIS. It excels in low-light photography and portraits, delivering sharp and vivid results. 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. This camera captures stunning landscapes with its 122 degrees field of view, making every shot breathtakingly wide and detailed. 180-megapixel periscope telephoto camera, featuring 2.5x optical zoom and 100x digital zoom. It allows you to capture even the most distant subjects with remarkable clarity. The AI motion detection and creative modes like Night Mode, Pro Mode, and Super Macro ensure that every shot is Instagram-worthy. Whether it's day or night, this camera system doesn't miss a moment. Video recording. The Honor Magic 6 Pro also shines in video capabilities, supporting 4K recording at 60 FPS. With OIS and EIS, videos remain stable even during motion. Whether you're capturing family moments or creating professional content, this phone is up to the task. Front camera. For selfies, the 50-megapixel front camera and 3D depth sensor work together to produce stunning results. This combination also enables 3D face unlocking, ensuring both security and convenience. Battery and charging. Battery life is a standout feature with the 5600 mAh battery. It supports 80-watt wired SuperCharge, delivering a 50% charge in just 30 minutes and 66-watt wireless charging for added convenience. Even in colder environments, the Honor Gen 2 silicon carbon battery ensures reliable performance, making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. The phone offers an immersive audio experience with its advanced stereo speakers. Whether you're watching videos or playing games, the sound is crisp, loud, and balanced, enhancing your overall multimedia experience. Durability and connectivity. The IP68 certification ensures resistance against water and dust, making the Magic 6 Pro a reliable companion in any environment. Connectivity is seamless with 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC for hassle-free interactions. Conclusion. The Honor Magic 6 Pro is a powerhouse of features: stunning design, a brilliant display, top-tier performance, and an unmatched camera experience. Whether for personal or professional use, this phone ticks all the right boxes. If you're considering upgrading your device, the Magic 6 Pro is a perfect choice. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Goodbye. Does this meet your expectations?